Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed Hassan. This is a Python based vending machine simulation. This program starts with decorative ASCII banner and then prompt which allows the user to press enter to continue. After that, they initialize the vending machine items. So each items like Lay's, Cheetos, Doritos, like Red Bull, Pepsi, Coca-Cola is representing as a dictionary. The dictionary includes the item name, item code, item price and stock. All items are predefined and stored in separate variables like A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 like this. Then the user interaction. What's the user interaction? The program allows user to choose an item by code, and then users check whether the inserted money is enough to purchase the item. Then it uses a loop to keep asking the user to insert more money if the amount is insufficient. So what's the purchasing logic? If the user insert enough money and the item is in stock, the program decreases the stock and confirm the purchase. If the user press 0, the transaction is cancelled. And what the modular functions? Like these functions, all the functions like Lays, I defined every code, every item as a function. It's a modular functions. Each item has its own function like Lays, Cheetos, Red Bull, Pepsi, which handles the specific item purchasing logic. This function access global variable to manage shared data like the current inserted amount. So why I use the global variable? Global variable, it's basically used to track money inserted and shared item stock, to share the item stock. So then I use loops in my vending machine. While loop, this function used to keep asking the user for money until the required amount is met or the transaction is cancelled. And then I use if commands, if else, like this function is used check if the item is available, enough money has been inserted, and handle different user decisions. So I defined the functions like every function Lays. So the purpose of functions and their purpose is that each of these functions represent the logic for purchasing one specific item. So what it does, it does like check if the item is in stock, verifies if the user has inserted enough money or not. If not enough money, it keeps asking the user to insert more or cancel the purchase. If the purchase is successful, it reduces the stock and gives change if needed. Then at last I used the function menu. This is the main function of my vending machine. The purpose of the function is act as the control center of the program. What it does welcome the user, displays the menu, handles user input to select which item they want to purchase, call the appropriate item function based on the code like A1, A2, A3, etc. Allows the user to insert money, choose another item or exits. So here's the ASCII representative, and then prompts which enter allows the user to continue. Then it shows it's the dictionary of items. Every item like it shows a different function, and there's the functions like Lays, Cheetos, and every item has their own function. Then here's the menu. Is the main function of like my vending machine. It shows after entering, press enter, it shows the menu and welcoming message. Then print like hi sir, how can I help you? And it's the here's the conditions. If the user enter I want this, and if it is available, it is dispatched, it will be dispatched. And if it is not available, the code handles cases like insufficient funds or item being out of stock by displaying appropriate message and options to the user. Press 0 to exit, and at last it shows the message, thank you for using my vending machine. Thank you.